Never achieve the success you desire if you're a lone wolf. Why? Because a pack will always outperform a lone wolf in the wild, and it applies to men as well. Something that I discovered is that my level of output, my level of accomplishment, my level of consistency, my level of discipline, and my level of performance were all extraordinarily great at the moment that I had a team, a brotherhood of empowered men around me. We do the extra reps. We challenge each other forward. We share wisdom. We share information, and we invite each other beyond our current weaknesses and limitations. Because sometimes other people choose to believe in you more than you do in a moment of weakness. You can leverage off the power of your brothers and you can rise together. So if you're a man who thinks that by doing it alone that he'll accomplish more, you're sadly mistaken, and you're your own bottleneck in your success. You want to become more successful? Find a brotherhood that will empower you forward.